I made all of those for free. Not a trial, not 3 free credits then pay, unlimited, on one website. Here's the uncomfortable bit. You've probably been watching AI videos for months and never actually made one, because every tool wants your card after 2 clips. That's the wall. And this tool doesn't have it. It's called SnapGen. It runs VO, Google's best model, it's unlimited, it's free, and there's no watermark. So by the end of this video, you're going to have made your first one, because you've officially run out of excuses. Let's go. Quick plan. First, I'll show you why this one's different from every free tool you've tried, because unlimited changes everything. Then I'll get you set up and generating in about 2 minutes on screen every click. Then a showcase of what you can actually make. And stick around to the end because the last thing I show you is the trick that makes this thing better than tools people pay for. No fluff. Let's start with why unlimited is a bigger deal than it sounds. So SnapGen runs VO 3.1. That's Google's flagship video model, the one that does realistic motion and generates its own audio. Normally you get, a couple of free goes and then it's a subscription. SnapGen just doesn't do that. It's unlimited. You can generate all day, every day, and it stays free. 1080p and no watermark stamped across the corner. And here's why unlimited is the whole game. Not just a nice bonus, it removes the fear. When you've got 3 free credits, every prompt feels precious, so you never experiment, you get 1 mediocre clip, and you give up. When it's unlimited, you can throw 20 prompts at it, mess around, learn what works, re-roll the bad ones for free. That's how you actually get good. Scarcity kills beginners. Unlimited is how you start. One honest thing, because I always tell you the catch, it's VO 3.1 and only VO 3.1, no big menu of other models, and the free tier is text to video only, so you can't upload a photo to drop yourself into a scene, you describe everything in words. But when the one model is Google's best and it's unlimited, I genuinely don't miss either. Right, let's get you generating. This is genuinely the easy part. You go to snapgen.ai, you sign in with a Google account, that's it, no card, nothing, and you're in. Then you see a text box, and this is where people freeze. So let me just give you a first prompt to steal. Type this: a golden retriever puppy running through a field of flowers in slow motion, sunny, cinematic. Hit generate, and I'm not cutting away, watch it actually make it. That's it. That's your first AI video. Took under 2 minutes, cost nothing, and it looks like that. A few years ago, that clip was physically impossible to make without a camera and a very patient dog. Now that you can make one, let me show you the range because it does way more than pretty animals. Quick pause, subscribe if you want the free way to do all this AI stuff. That's the whole channel. And I made a free PDF with beginner prompts to copy paste into SnapGen, plus my settings, no email wall, first link in the description. Grab it, open SnapGen in another tab and actually follow along, because this next part is the fun bit, okay? The range. Because AI video generator undersells it. Watch. Cinematic shots, the stuff that used to need a drone and a crew. Characters that actually talk. You write the line, VO performs it, with the voice. This is why all those AI podcast and interview videos exist.
1 caramel oat milk macchiato for Destiny. Beautiful name. Terrible order.
You got any bread? No? Then why are we even talking?
Somebody ate my sandwich, and I intend to find out who.
Satisfying and ASMR clips, where the AI makes the sound itself, these print on TikTok. And it's not even locked to realistic. It does full animation styles too. Claymation, anime, 3D, whatever you ask for. Same tool, completely different look. Four completely different types of video, one free tool, one afternoon. And every one of those is a video format people are going viral with right now. You're not learning a toy, you're learning the thing the whole feed is made of. But here's the part that actually makes SnapGen special. Because everything I've shown you, other tools can technically do too. But there's one thing SnapGen lets you do that the paid ones basically punish you for. And it's the single biggest reason your videos will get good fast. Watch. Here it is. The secret that separates good AI videos from bad ones isn't a magic prompt, it's re-rolling. That jaw-dropping clip you saw on someone's channel, they didn't get it first try. They generated it 5, 8, 10 times and showed you the best one. You've been comparing your first attempt to their 10th, and on a paid tool, you can't do that. Every re-roll costs a credit, so you settle for a mediocre take because rolling again feels like burning money. On SnapGen, roll it 50 times. It's free. Keep going till it's perfect. That is the entire advantage. And it's why unlimited isn't just more, it's better output, because you never have to settle. Half of getting good at this is just generating a lot and having taste. Unlimited hands you both. So that's the workflow. One good prompt, re-roll until it's the one, keep the winner. Do that, and in a week, you'll be better than people who've paid for a year. And once you're making these, you'll want them everywhere. That's what I use repurpose.io for. You post once and it fires your video out to TikTok, Reels, Shorts, and Facebook automatically, captions and all. And it strips the TikTok watermark so Shorts doesn't bury you. It just does the boring posting part. Affiliate links in the description, helps me out. Now let's finish this video. So there's the whole thing. SnapGen, unlimited, free, Google's best model. There is genuinely nothing left standing between you and making this stuff. No card, no trial, no excuse. So do the thing. Open snapgen.ai, sign in, and make one clip tonight. Just one. Grab the free PDF for prompts if you're stuck. And then come back and tell me in the comments what the first thing you made was. I read them, and I want to see what you start with. And that video right there is where I show you the 7 tricks to make whatever you generate actually look good. Watch that next.